Removing a processor. Remove the tray from the enclosure. Remove the tray cover. Unfasten the two Torx T10 screws to remove the voltage regulator clamp plate from the node. Use a Torx screwdriver set to the proper torque to unfasten the 9 Torx T10 water loop screws from each node. Unfasten the following screws to loosen the quick connect. 5 Torx T10 screws on the rear of the node. Two Torx T10 screws on the quick connect. Orient the water loop carrier with the guide pin and then gently put it down and ensure it is seated firmly on the water loop. Fasten the 12 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. Unfasten the 8 Torx T30 captive screws on the cold plates in the removal sequence shown on the processor cold plates label. Push all the anti-tilt wire bales inwards to the unlocked position. Carefully turn over the water loop so that one half is sitting on top of the other half. Lift the handle to release the processor from the retainer. Carefully hold the processor by its edges and then lift the processor from the retainer. Carefully release the retaining clips from the cold plate. Lift the retainer from the cold plate. Wipe the thermal grease from the bottom of the cold plate with an alcohol cleaning pad.